terrible Hawker Hunter.
Wow! That is a jet! It's the same one?
No.
This particular aircraft, a Hawker Hunter F Mark 6, powered by a Rolls-Royce Haven jet engine, Rolls-Royce Haven 204, producing 9,800 pounds of thrust. Now that's not a lot of thrust for what is essentially a 5-ton aeroplane, but as you will see, it's the sheer efficiency of Sydney Camp's Hunter design, and it is such a beautiful smooth shape that means that the aircraft is so efficient it doesn't need that much thrust. Even though the Hunter was never equipped with an afterburner, there was an afterburning version on the design board from Hawkers, but they never actually built it. Oh, glinting in the sun. Beautiful machine. Even though it was never equipped with an afterburner, you'll see that on some of the more modern jet aircraft, like the Typhoon later on. The Hunter capable. Capable of breaking the sound barrier.
That means
it
goes faster than the sound of
high altitude.
Faster than the speed of sound.
He's had a few car alarms off with his bombing run there.
It's not a bomb, Joseph, it's just the sound.
Now you'll see as he's pulling round here that there's a pair of what appear to be smoke trails coming from the wingtips. That's not actually smoke, that's water. That's moisture being squeezed out of the air by the action of the wing. Very low, slow pass with the air brake extended. You see the air brake under the rear fuselage there. Hawker Hunter F Mark 1 for service with the Royal Air Force in 1954. The Royal Air Force's first swept-wing jet fighter. Started life as a pure interceptor, armed with 4 20mm cannons. They're mounted in a pod in the fuselage, immediately behind the, well, immediately underneath the cockpit, in fact. Jonathan really knowing how to show off the lines of this magnificent aeroplane. Now, the cannon armament of the Hunter was a real design feature because, of course, in a fighter aeroplane, it's its most vulnerable when it's sitting on the ground, being refueled and rearmed. And on fighters before then, you had to rearm each gun individually with either drums or belts of ammunition, like on the Spitfire and the Hurricane and so on. But in the Hunter, you actually drop the whole pod out, guns and all, and just replace it with a full magazine. And when combined